Across the DACH region, manufacturing leaders are facing a reality that can no longer be treated as temporary. The pressure is becoming structural. Energy volatility continues to affect production economics. Raw material uncertainty is disrupting planning assumptions. Export sensitivity remains high, and supply chain concentration risks are exposing operational vulnerabilities that many organizations underestimated for years. For decades, manufacturing ecosystems across Germany and the wider DACH market were built around efficiency, lean inventories, centralized sourcing, just-in-time logistics, lowest cost global dependency. But geopolitical fragmentation is changing those assumptions in real time. Today, organizations are realizing that a supply chain optimized only for efficiency becomes fragile during prolonged instability. That is why leading manufacturers are moving quickly. They are diversifying suppliers across Turkey, the Gulf, India, ASEAN, and Eastern Europe. They are reassessing nearshoring strategies. They are building regional production resilience and dual sourcing capabilities for critical inputs. And they are redesigning contingency models around disruption, not around ideal conditions, because the conversation is no longer operational. It is strategic. The risk is no longer simply higher cost. The risk is interruption. And in today's environment, the organizations that can absorb volatility while remaining operational will have a major competitive advantage over those still waiting for stability to return.